there's a professor obviously who gave you the bad grade. Okay, so one logical presupposition is that you're in some sense insufficient in relationship to the course, but another logical and instantaneous categorization is to throw that person into the category of malevolent predator, and you'll do that by becoming upset and cursing the person in your imagination. Cursing is exactly right, and I can tell you why. So I don't know if I told you this or not, but primates of various sorts, like vervet monkeys, have predator alarm cries. They have one, if you look across a vast array of predators or primates, they have one for things that attack from the sky, and so those would be predatory birds. They have one for like cats that climb into the trees to get you, and that means hit the little branches because the cat can't be out there. And they have one for things that rustle through the grass, snakes for example. And so each of those produces a distinctive alarm cry. And so that's the same alarm, that alarm cry system is the same system that we use to swear with. We use short guttural words. So they're archaic words because short words tend to be very, very old. And so and we have a separate system that utters those sorts of vocalizations, and that's the system that's disinhibited in Tourette's, which is why people with Tourette's swear. And so when you curse the professor for giving you the bad grade, you are using the same bloody linguistic system that your ancestors used to categorize snakes in the grass or predators that swoop down from the sky. That's very, very interesting. So, and people regard that as quite rude, right? If you swear at someone, then they'll be taken aback by that. They consider it insulting to be thrown into the arbitrary predator category. And so that also turns the world into a good versus evil story very rapidly, with the oppressive person who's judging you playing the role of, you know, malevolent predator, and you playing the role of innocent prey, essentially. Very, very easy for that to happen.